Hey, this is pretty cool. If you use the VN video editor on your iOS device, your iPhone, your iPad, check this out. I just figured out how to delete the default fonts. So that's deleting the fonts that are already included with the app that everyone else uses. I have imported my own fonts, so I don't have much interest in those default fonts. And here's how you get rid of them. It's really not obvious. So check it out. If you go to plus, like you would be adding fonts, go to your creation kits and go to your fonts, right? So these are all my fonts that I've added. These are my custom fonts, but your defaults, right? A couple of them are okay. A handful of them come with a pro subscription, which is still completely unnecessary for the VN editor, which is really cool. But I just don't use these fonts. I've seen them so many times. There's nothing too exciting about them. I didn't see a way to delete them. If you hold your finger on one, doesn't do anything for you. If you slide left, doesn't do anything for you. If you slide right, it'll just bring you back to your custom fonts. I just got frustrated, started pressing everything, and realized if I pressed two fingers and slid down, now those select dots come up to the right. And look at this. I can get rid of all those default fonts. And that helps me with selecting fonts for the text I add because I don't have to constantly slide left to get off of the default fonts when I'm in the project manager and I'm in that timeline. So now there should be no option but to use the fonts that I've included. So we have a share button at the bottom after you select the default fonts that you want to get rid of. You have a delete key. I haven't done this before, so I'm mildly worried about breaking something. So I guess you can watch what happens for me, and if it goes well, then you can do it too. If it doesn't, well, learn from my mistake. But that share button is interesting because what it will do is it will zip all those fonts together and let you drop it somewhere so you could save it to files. And I think that might be a good idea, right? Just to have all those defaults save the files. That's really interesting. So I'm gonna hit save the file, save it to my fonts, and it's the zip file. It's called VN font. So we'll just leave it like that, right? And then I guess I could conveniently zip all of my fonts. I don't know why I would need to do that. Maybe. Anyway, two fingers, slide down to the right, up, you'll get these select dots. We're going to select every default and drop them. Here we go. Hey, all right, that didn't work. So it won't let you do that is basically what happened here. Can't delete that Cowchan script, which is interesting too. But dang, I thought I'd be able to clear off. Doesn't work. Well, it was still kind of a neat discovery. I hope you enjoyed the video, even though we didn't get the outcome maybe that we wanted, right? So, alrighty, we're going to go ahead and just end it here. Thank you for watching.